I had a dream once. I was running as fast as I could down this wide, empty road. Sometimes the dream and reality blur. I don't know what's up or down. All I knew was that I had to keep going.
All right, Ian. How long were you away for?
It's in my file.
I'm Terry.
Yeah.
So what are you doing here?
My aunt lives here.
You stay out of trouble, and we'll be fine.
Listen, I need you to do something for me. Do not stop. Don't open the trunk until you get there.
Look, Ian, I'm sorry.
The only way we get out of this alive is if we do what they want and bury him.
You say one word about what you saw tonight, and I swear to God, you'll end up in a hole just like that one.
So I was wondering if you wanted to come to the party tonight.
I guess so.
I don't think they're just gonna let this go.
Who are you talking about there?
Wilson?
The cop?
I can't protect you from him.
Where is he, Terry? I don't know what you're talking about.
Ian, what do you think of me?
I think you like playing the victim.
Ian, I need your help.
There has to be something I can do.
Like what?
Call the police.
Look, I know you're new here, but they are the cops.
What did you do with Ian?
I'm sorry.
You're gonna kill me too?
You killed Terry. You turned everyone against me.
Nobody changes, Ian. Nobody ever changes.